I'm Kathy.
And we're the Thrive Life Sisters. It is Easter time, and I love Easter because there's eggs, there's baby chicks, and there's brand new babies. I love that. So it's a good time of the year. So anyways, and it's springtime with lots of colorful, bright spring flowers. So today we are going to be doing a special little treat. And we've got the cake pops right here that we're going to demonstrate how to do the actual cake pop. And then we're going to be dipping them in white chocolate and topping them off with bright colors, which is the yogurt, Thrive freeze-dried yogurt.
Okay, so I'll get started. You just make muffins or cake mix and you just basically crumble them up. So we just break it up into pieces. I did a little bit beforehand just so you didn't have to sit there and watch me do that all. So once you get it all crumbled up into nice little pieces, like that. So we're gonna take some strawberries. We're gonna make them a little pink inside. So we'll take some strawberries.
And while Kathy is doing that, I'm gonna be crushing my toppings that I'll be putting on the white chocolate. And I don't want them in big, banging them down. But I don't want them crushed like Kathy's. Sorry for the noise.
The pieces and the powder, all of it is yummy. Right in with the mix like this. Then I will add a little bit of icing, well, or a lot of icing, because this is going to be the glue that sticks it all together. So we just start mixing it up.
So I have blueberry crushed yogurt, and it's all freeze-dried, and then this is strawberry.
I've got a bigger bowl.
We always say that. Bowl's too small. All right, okay, so this is almost ready to go. And then we're gonna do one more flavor, which is passion fruit.
So when you get it all mixed up with the right amount of icing, it will stick to with the filling. Make sure that you dip the stick in some icing before you put it into the cake pop so it stays firm in and stays on the stick when you're dipping it. Annie will take over from there.
Okay, so now you have a frozen pop. So this is melted white chocolate discs ready to go. So I'm going to just be making sure I cover all of this in white chocolate. Then I'm just going to top it with a little bit of yogurt, and we're just going to place them. So now it'll come off the stick if we're not careful, so I just want to make sure that we don't lose it here.
But if they're chilled, it should, oh, maybe it's too chilled.
Yeah, maybe. All right, so I'm just going to do one more so you can actually see the effects of every single color. Those are beautiful colors. See, I've lost the pop. There we go. Okay, so that is a fun little treat for kids, and it's a great Easter surprise.
So remember to give us a thumbs up if you like this video.
And make sure you subscribe if you haven't done so. Hit the notification bell to be notified when there's a new video that's posted. So we want to thank you for joining us today. Easter is a fun time and we love it, and we're glad you joined us. So remember,
you can do this too.